Hey, hi Vishvesh, what are you trying to do here?
Hi, I'm trying to find out if my vehicle needs maintenance or not.
How are you going to achieve that?
Wait, let me start my engine.
Oh, okay.
So here I have started the engine. So now I have written code which can collect all the data from the Arduino board. So let me execute the code. Here I am capturing all the sensor data like example sound, vibration, temperature, humidity sensor wirelessly by using Bluetooth.
Oh, okay.
So this is only for to train the data to predict the maintenance or not. So here this is the good engine status. So we have to collect similarly for the bad engine status, and we have to use that data to predict the.
Hi, welcome back. Now we have upgraded ourselves to a car now. We are trying to test out how our project will work with the car. So what we are trying to do is same concept. We have 4 sensors out here: humidity, temperature, vibration, sound. So all these things we have connected via the breadboard through the Arduino controller. Now we have done a little bit more changes. We have actually connected a Bluetooth device. If you see here, there is a Bluetooth module which is actually connected to the Arduino board. So we don't have to connect, direct connect. There needs to be no physical connection to the laptop. So now this is actually fully portable. It can be taken to any place. Right now we have connected to a power supply, but this is no longer needed at all. We can actually connect with a battery here, and it actually don't need any power supply connected physical power supply at all. So we have converted it into a fully portable device. So let me show you how we have even upgraded our desktop application to a web-based application now. So we can actually select what kind of a device we are trying to collect the data for or test the data out for. So right now we are actually testing for a 4-vehicle engine. So let me just select that, and I will start the data collection now. So as soon as I click on the start data collection button, it will start taking the live data from the device, which is basically we are actually getting the data from the device via Bluetooth. So you can see here how much data points it has already taken, and it will even give you what is the average value that we are getting here. So if you see here, we are even displaying what is the average sound, vibration, temperature, and the humidity values. So if we come down, you can even see the graph plotted for each across the time. So there is sound versus time, vibration versus time, humidity and temperature versus time. And if I come a little bit down, you can see the entire data table here. This is a data frame which we are trying to capture. So the entire value, you can see how many whatever the value is actually collected. You can see it is getting incremented one by one. So this is about it. So we can actually right now, let me just stop this data collection, and using different algorithms we can actually choose what we actually want to predict. So we have actually implemented for this particular vehicle or any, we have basically collected data for these 3 devices as of now. So for these 3 devices we have implemented all these 5 algorithms. So let me select KNN algorithm first, and now if you see, when I clicked on the complete button, it is actually showing the results as good. So this particular vehicle engine does not need any maintenance.